Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a flowchart in Google Sheets. So what you're going to do is you're going to get like the data first, select insert, and then select chart. Then you are going to customize, you're going to go to chart type, and you're going to then scroll down until you find the chart here, and you're just going to add that. And here you can kind of customize the colors of the node here. I'm not sure like if you can change it one by one, but when you select it, as you can see, it changes color. You can select the size as well of the chart here, and that is pretty much it. You can also switch rows and columns and stuff, and use row 21 as headers if you'd like to. But yeah, that is how you can basically create a flow chart in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.